Hello guys, Super Scraper. One of the easy attachment and the best to remove the ice from the road, but also to remove the tiles or the carpets during the demolition. It's very easy to operate, no hydraulic needed. And my tip today will be how to properly work with this attachment and be efficient. The great thing on this attachment is this steel disc, hard steel disc, which is free to turn and also oscillating. It's maintenance free and super easy to use. You don't need any auxiliary hydraulic, so everything is done by the joysticks or pedals. Put some gas, and then if you want to enter, it's better to put it a bit more vertically and really just open the ice a few centimeters. When it's free, just like this, is more sharp and it goes better through the ice. When it's open, you just push your disc on the ground, move left and right, and it scratches the ice.